Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make pork rib adobo. Adobo is probably the most famous dish from the Philippines, and I'd like to take this opportunity to say hello to all my Filipino followers. As we are recording this, we're over 500,000 subscribers, and 1/3 of you are from the Philippines. So how you doing, everyone? Really, really delicious, and adobo in itself is super, super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got these ribs here, as you can see. There's about, I think it's like a kg or something, so like 2.2 pound. I'm going to just trim it up a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of fat off. This is not too bad actually, and sometimes you'll get what they call silver skin, you know, like a kind of very thin, transparent skin on there that you can take off. I don't think this needs it, so I'm just going to trim it up and then I'm going to cut them. Okay, so you can see what I've done with the ribs. Cut them into smaller kind of bite-sized pieces for the pan. 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of soy sauce. Now this soy is a light one, it's not a thick soy. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a white vinegar. This is actually a cane vinegar. You can use any vinegar you want. 1, 2, 3 bay leaves, a tablespoon of garlic, 3 whole chilies there, fresh chilies, a tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to add salt, pepper, and a touch of oil to get going. And just for my Filipino brothers and sisters out there, I'm going to attempt to say the ingredients in Tagalog, which is the national language. So we have baboy, sibuyas, toyo, suka, bawang, asuka, sile, and laurel. I hope I've said that right. If I haven't, please excuse me. So you're going to need a pot, a large skillet or a wok type thing that I have here. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, about 3 tablespoons. Simply we're going to start off by dropping in all of our pork ribs. And on a medium heat, I'm going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. I'm going to stir fry these around and get them cooked. I mean, once this is done, everything goes in and it's really simple. So we've got a nice little bit of color here. Now we're going to go through a process now of adding water. And I'm doing that because I'm using pork ribs. If I was just using belly pork or regular pork, we wouldn't be doing this next step. It's only because we have ribs. First of all, I'm going to drop in my bay. And then we're going to get some water in there. And I'm going to turn the heat up to high. And what we want to do is boil that away and let the water reduce out. What that's going to do is ensure that our pork ribs are cooked really beautifully. Okay, so that's reduced down a little bit. It doesn't have to go all the way. Just helps those ribs a little bit. Right, here we go. Everything goes in now. So we're going to go with our fresh chili, our onion, the garlic, brown sugar. I mean, some people even put oyster sauce in here. We're going to add a little bit of salt, not too much, because we've got the soy sauce, of course. Black pepper. And the 1 cup here of soy. We're going to give that a mix. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn this down to not a simmer, but just above a simmer. Lid on. And let it go for about, I think maybe 12 minutes in total. Hang on a minute, Simon. You forgot to add a vital ingredient, which is the vinegar. Sorry about that, everyone. About 12 minutes, nice lowish heat. Okay, off goes the heat. The moment of truth, let's have a look. Yeah, that's looking fantastic. Reduced down beautifully. That is a wonderful, wonderful adobo. Okay, and there you go, an absolute Filipino classic of adobo. This version, pork ribs. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Mabuhay. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.